Today, I'll show you how to add glittering particles that surround your subject, giving your video a magical and dreamy effect. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. We want the glitter particles to appear as soon as the character starts their action, so let's position it at the right moment. Now go to the effects panel and search for particles surround. Drag and drop the effect above your video clip and align it exactly where you want the glitter to start. Right away, you'll see shimmering particles wrapping around your subject. Let's tweak the effect to make it even better. Click on the effect and go to the right side editing panel. Here you'll find three key controls. Zoom, adjust this to make the particles spread further or stay closer to your subject. Position X, move the effect left or right to perfectly align with your subject. Position Y, adjust the vertical placement to match your scene. Play around with these settings until the particles wrap around your subject just the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully added glittering particles around your subject in Filmora. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.